Hello students, today we are going to start solid modeling on Onshape software. So first we will build a 3D model as shown in figure. So you can see here, this is this side is a front view. Okay, so this is 50 by 50 mm side is this, and its thickness is 15 mm. This is the 15 mm. So let's draw on Onshape. Create document. So you can give any name. So I will say solid 1. So here I will say create. So we have to sketch on this front plane. Do normal to sketch plane. Okay, line from this point like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and this. Okay, so this is rough drawing. So we are going to do the dimensioning. So this is 50. Another this is a 50. Another this is a 50 mm, and this is also 15 mm. Okay, show constraints. So we will delete some of the constraints. So I will delete some of the constraints. So this is deleted. Now sketch is completed. Say extrude. So you can see here, select the sketch. So this is the sketch is this, and we have to do the symmetric so that we can draw the another rib in the center. So it's this 50. Next is sketch. Select this sketch plane. So which sketch we have to select this. Do normal to sketch plane. Now you can see the line. So I will draw the rough diagram like this. So next is coincident. This point should be coincident with this edge should be coincident with this, and this edge is coincident with this. Now remove the unwanted portion, so trim it. Okay, show constraints. We will delete some of the constraints. Okay, so this is done. Next, extrude. Select the sketch. So sketch 2 is selected. So here symmetric. So its thickness is, you can check it. Its thickness is 20. Rib thickness is 10 mm. And it is at the center. So I will say its thickness is 10 mm. Okay. So in this way, this diagram is completed. You can see, if you show the isometric view, our object should be look like whatever the image shown us. So this is the front view.